Hi, how you doing? Sammy Jax, hope you're doing fine today. So let's talk about Yoda for a second. Now Yoda is a baby. So we've gone back in the timeline or something. Yoda's a baby, and not a lot of people talk about the mother or the father. So Yoda's parents got together, and they made Baby Yoda. And right now, Baby Yoda is available to purchase from the Build-A-Bear Workshop. And if you want to know what Baby Yoda looks like that you can get at Build-A-Bear Workshop, it does not look like his parents. It's actually quite adorable. Let's take a look right now at Baby Yoda. These things are a pain in the butt to get a hold of. If you want to get one, you gotta work hard to get it. Anyways, let's take a look without further ado. This is Baby Yoda. There's nothing that's not safe for work in this besides the two pictures of the parents. Okay, so this is the coveted Baby Yoda. Ooh, coveted Baby Yoda. Build-A-Bear Workshop. Ooh. So it comes up wrapped like this. I don't know if this is the way it's born or what. It comes with a birth certificate, some other stuff. Not sure. Let's take them out of the box and see. One sec if I drop this thing. Okay, so this is Baby Yoda. I guess his head is wrapped. I'm not sure why. Ooh. Here he is, peekaboo. Look at that. That's a face that only a mother could love. And you probably. I mean, it is pretty cute, right? So, yeah, I'm not going to go to the great extent of taking all its clothes off. Blah, 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 blah. And then it does make noises. Don't know if you can hear that. I guess that's his theme song or something. He's gonna go wrestle Stone Cold Steve Austin. Okay, enough. And his other hand makes baby sounds. Isn't that adorable? Oh. I think it farted. Yeah, it was definitely a fart. Anyways, that's... Shut up. I'm gonna put it in the microwave now. I'm not really. I'm just kidding. That'd be a bad mistake to put Baby Yoda in the microwave. Alright, guys. That's Baby Yoda. That's it. It's off Star Wars. If you watch Star Wars and you're a Star Wars fanatic, you probably want one of these. Good luck. If you're not a Star Wars fanatic, you probably just got one online like me. Just wanted to tease everybody. Hey, I got this. You didn't. Anyways, that's it for tonight. I'm Sammy Jax. I'll show you some more pictures of this. Live pictures inside a white box down here. You're welcome. Don't die unless you have to. Subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. There is Baby Yoda. Isn't he adorable? So adorable. Anyways, hope you enjoyed Baby Yoda. He's mine, not yours. Good luck getting one. I'm kidding. I'm sure they're gonna make millions of these things. Talk to you tomorrow. Subscribe.